I've earned $42,000 to date, and in this guide I'll outline the simplest approach to begin earning money on Medium.com. You don't even need to have any writing experience or a Medium account if you're a total newbie with no prior knowledge. Step 1 in doing this and using a strategy to make money is to actually register with Medium.com, a website where users can share stories, articles, and blog posts. If done correctly, these can rank highly on Google, so you just want to click to get started and choose either Google, Facebook, or by entering your email address. I personally just choose Google because it only requires one click of a button. Find the best affiliate offer to promote as the next step. The reason I like affiliate marketing for these things is that you can earn money without actually producing the product yourself. You can do this without building a website or spending any money. All you have to do is find a finished product, grab a referral link, and then send someone from your blogs on Medium if they purchase that product. However, these are now kind of shady websites, and you can't find any good offers on here. For instance, what do you want to do when you're running an online business? We have some of these events that took place in the past over here that cost thousands of dollars, and I promoted all of them, and there are actual creators who are getting real results from the platform itself. If you go to the marketplace or digit store, and you go to the business and investment category, one of the most lucrative categories out there and also the category with the highest CPM on YouTube, you can see that there are no good offers on here. What I'm trying to say is that if you send someone as a referral to one of these offers, you're basically going to be wasting traffic because most of these offers A, aren't very satisfying, and B, don't look very convincing when you open up the sales page. For instance, you can see how to get rich with Bitcoin or whatever. Then if you actually want to buy this offer, there is no button, because the majority of these offerings don't actually provide any results for customers, which explains why the cancellation rate is so high for things like millionaire secrets and get rich using Bitcoin, etc. I'm not even sure how the copy is even legal. Page step number 3. Then find topics to discuss in your advertisement, because this is a $99 per month membership and you get 50% from every single sale, which means when someone signs up through your link you make $50 a month. If you refer 200 people, that's $10,000 a month in passive income. As long as they keep using the program, you will keep on making money month after month. So what you can do is go to YouTube and use what people are searching for to see what people are actually interested in. Go to the search bar and type in something like how to, and it will show you what people are mostly searching for now. Let's say I go with how to make money. Let's say it will show me what are the top searches. So a lot of people search for how to make money. Now, you can't just ask ChatGPT to write an entire article for you, but you can ask it to write an introduction for a blog post about how to make money as a teen. I also have the style informal, simple, and easy to read, and this is how it starts off with an introduction. Then I go with another paragraph, and then I have a full 2,000 words blog post. Additionally, you can also open up OneClickHuman.com, and this AI tool will write your entire article for you. Then you can easily use it for your Medium account. To make your articles even more engaging, step number 5 is to generate, or you can create original images using an AI tool like Dancer Art, which is totally free. You can simply create an account and use this tool to create images that you can then use in your Medium account. And then if I go to Medium and click on Write, I can enter a title and then I can paste that. I can then start pasting this article that I've written paragraph by paragraph with the chat cap. Now between these lines, in order to make money, I will create a call through action that goes well with the article itself. Now, then you just want to enter your affiliate link. You highlight and paste your affiliate link there so that if someone clicks on this, you do earn a commission if they ultimately buy that product or service. Then you just continue writing your copy. Once you're finished, you can publish this to medium.com, where it can be seen by thousands of people both organically and from people who search on Google for these things. Obviously, you can't get rich by posting one Medium article, but if you do something like 10 articles per day for 100 days in a row, I can guarantee that you will at least be getting thousands of views.